You're traveling to a Spanish-speaking country, you don't know the language, you're intimidated. Relájate. Even just un poquito de preparación before your trip can set you up for success. You probably know hola already, but when being a little bit less casual, it's common to greet people based on the time of the day.
Hola, buenos días. Buenas tardes.
And at any time of the day, you can just say buenas. It can help you avoid some confusion, and it means you don't have to remember what time of the day it is.
Buenas. Buenas.
Hola. Or, depending on when you're watching this video, buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches. Soy Esteban, a Spanish teacher for Babbel Life. If you want to really learn Espanol, you should check out the resources Babbel offers, from our self-study app to live classes, and of course you can subscribe here. But today I'm sharing a super quick survival guide for a Spanish-speaking holiday. We'll cover the basics of getting around, asking for help, and making the most of your trip, whether you're wandering the Museo del Prado in Madrid or relaxing on the beach in Mexico. ¡Empezamos! There are a bunch of ways to ask how someone's doing.
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te va?
A simple go-to response to all these questions: Estoy bien, gracias. If you want to know where anything is, you can always ask ¿Dónde está? And add on whatever it is you're looking for.
¿Dónde está la playa? ¿Dónde está un museo? ¿Dónde está el metro?
Gestures can go a long way, but it will also help to know directions. A la izquierda, a la derecha, sigue derecho, o sigue recto. We all want to be polite when traveling. Perdón is super useful, whether you just bumped into a stranger or you're trying to get someone's attention.
Oh, perdón. Perdón.
In that situation, you can also say disculpa, which is super helpful if you don't understand something.
Disculpa, estoy buscando el autobús hacia Teotihuacán. Disculpa, no hablo español muy bien.
You should learn what por favor and gracias mean before your trip. Please and thank you. Corny jokes aside, you'd be surprised how much those simple words and a smile can help you out. If you're ordering food or asking for the check in a restaurant, in all types of situations, you can just name the thing you want and add on por favor, and bam! Instant politeness.
Un bocadillo de jamón, por favor. Gracias. La cuenta, por favor. Gracias.
But it's fun to have some other ways of asking for something. Here are a couple.
¿Me traes un bistec, por favor? Gracias. Me gustaría una Coca-Cola, por favor. ¿Me traes una copa de vino rojo, por favor?
There are also different ways to ask how much something costs.
¿Cuánto cuesta la cerveza? ¿Cuánto es?
And if you don't know the word in Spanish, that's fine. You can just smile and point.
¿Cuánto cuesta esto?
Two other helpful words, más y menos.
¿Me trae más agua, por favor? Menos comida, por favor.
All right, let's put it all together. Let's say you're in a cafe.
Buenos días.
Buenas, ¿qué tal?
Estoy bien, gracias. Disculpa, no hablo español muy bien.
No te preocupes.
¿Un café con leche, por favor?
Claro.
Gracias. Y, perdón, agua.
¿Una botella de agua?
Sí, por favor, gracias. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
2 euros.
Ok.
¿Algo más?
No, gracias.
Serían 4.20.
Ok. 4.20. 20. Gracias.
A ti, que tenga un buen día.
Here are some simple alternatives to adios.
Hasta luego. Ciao.
It might seem challenging to learn a new language before your vacation, but a little really does go a long way. In my experience, people appreciate the effort so much, they're not judging us as harshly as we sometimes fear. The most important thing is to have fun with it. Check out Babbel if you want to dive deeper, and no matter what, enjoy the process. Buen viaje!